Welcome to this tutorial on how to change your page URL in Wix. Here's how you can do it. First, log into your Wix account and go to the Wix editor. Click on Pages and Menu on the left side of the editor. Hover over the page you want to change and click the More Actions icon. Select SEO Basics. In the URL slug field, fill in your new page URL and press Enter on your keyboard. Remember to avoid using reserved URL paths like apps, API, robots.txt, or sitemap.xml to prevent errors. Wix will automatically create a 301 redirect from the old URL to the new one, maintaining SEO integrity. If you have any feedback or questions, please let us know in the comments below. And if you don't have a Wix account yet, no problem. You can sign up for a 100% free account using the link in the description below and start building your own website today.